pull one of them cocoa people. As I'm saying. They say when I look like a beer and grow a couple times. Rotted. Yeah. But let's see if we can get nothing out of that one. Put the camera down and see if we stay with me. I just cook it there. I cook it on beer. Okay. I like it again. Good. Look, I'm look button of it. Yeah, head up out I go. Yeah, head. Yeah, head. Yeah, cook head. Get one cocoa. I like it one grow. Now eat it. Like alboga and yam it. Yeah. One cocoa today. Then I'm gonna mess with them no more. Try and pull out the one still. Yeah. Alright, me come and say me don't pull. Me don't pull it. Come and say me don't pull it. I don't pull it, bro. Yeah, bro. Cocoa them beer. Yep, but yeah, bro. Nothing. I joke this. I pay your head on the cocoa them. Pay your head. No, I'm being nothing. Remove them. Well, me try. Me draw 3 route and not get nothing, so I don't like nothing today yet. Alright, we'll try next time, people. We're in the field, in the cocoa field. I test it to see if it grow yet, if it bear yet. See? Alright, family and friends. Let's up on yourself. Yeah. I get one digger cocoa. And I bring it in. And I cut it up. And I put it in a pot. See it here. One digger cocoa. And not even so 100. Here I get frozen in the sun. I'll juice some today. Today.